Irrigation controllers have come a long way in recent years. Along with smart controllers that help you irrigate more efficiently, we now have controllers that allow you to connect and program them through a home Wi-Fi network. In this video, we'll show you the steps we took to replace an old non-functioning controller with the new Wi-Fi ready controller, the HydroWise Pro HC from Hunter. Before you purchase a new controller, you will first need to determine if you need an indoor or outdoor model. You also need to know how many stations are required for your system. To learn this, you can check your existing controller's terminal strip to see how many valve terminals are currently being used. Most residential controllers today range from 4 to 12 stations, so purchase a controller that will meet your current and future needs. While you have the current controller open, take a photo of the terminal strip to help you connect the valve wires to the appropriate station terminals on the new controller. If you are replacing the valve wires, label the new wires on the controller side so you'll know which valve each wire belongs to. Also, make a note of the current irrigation schedule to help you program the new controller once it's installed. To prevent the possibility of fire or electrical shock, disconnect the power before you begin removing the old controller. Indoor models are typically equipped with a power cord and plugged directly into a common wall outlet, while outdoor models are hardwired. Our example was hardwired, so we turned off the power at the electrical panel, then verified the controller was dead before continuing. If in doubt, it's a good idea to hire an electrician for this part of the job. With the power disconnected, remove the wires connecting the power supply to the controller's transformer. Depending on the controller, you may need to remove a panel to access these connections. Next, detach the conduit that houses the power supply wires. You can now disconnect the valve and common wires as well as any sensors you may be using. Next, remove the mounting screws and lift the controller up and out to release it from the hanger. When mounting the new unit, keep in mind that if you choose a Wi-Fi enabled controller, it will need to be mounted within range of your network. The new controller should be able to use the existing hanger screw, but you'll probably need to create new holes for the other mounting screws. If mounting to drywall or masonry, you'll want to use anchors. With the new controller in place, thread the valve wires up through the port at the bottom of the controller. In outdoor situations, it's important to protect the valve wires between the controller and the soil using 3/4 inch conduit or a section of 3/4 inch PVC pipe. 1 inch can also be used for larger systems requiring more valve wires. A male adapter and a locking nut will secure the pipe to the controller cabinet. On our job, we included a T at the top of the PVC pipe to accommodate the wire for a wireless rain sensor receiver. The Pro HC has 2 sensor terminals that we use to connect the rain sensor as well as a flow meter. This controller is also equipped with a terminal to connect a master valve, which was the case on our job. Check the manufacturer's guide for the details on making connections to your particular controller. Once you've connected the valve and sensor wires, you can then connect the power supply. As with the valve wires, thread the power wires up through the bottom of the cabinet, then connect the conduit with the lock nut. Using a wire nut, connect the green ground wire from the power supply to the green ground wire on the transformer. Do the same with the white neutral and the black 120 volt power wire, and then replace the cover if your controller has one. After confirming that all your connections have been made, restore power to the controller. Manually test each station to verify the valves are connected and working properly. Then follow the manufacturer's instructions for programming your irrigation schedule. While these steps should assist you with most situations, system designs can vary greatly. If in doubt, seek out a qualified landscape and irrigation professional for assistance. And remember, all of the products featured in this video can be found at your local Ewing branch or online at ewingirrigation.com.